Hi, today's project we'll be taking two pairs of plain classic hoop earrings and showing you how to wear them three ways by making layered hoop earrings with them as well. So the first pair, you can wear these for tiny classic hoops. They're 15mm wire hoops and they attach at a loop at the top. Very simple. So the second pair we have are large 50mm classic hoop earrings, and they're endless hoops. As you see, the small wire disappears into the thicker part of the wire. So there is our second pair of hoop earrings. Now if you want to think outside the box, you can just attach the two to create glamorous, celebrity-inspired layered hoop earrings. We'll just do that again. Take the smaller hoop and place it within the larger hoop, and simply from your jewelry collection at home you can create another pair of earrings. Thank you for watching.